Introducing a little EDC everyday carry knife, very inexpensive knife. It's called a Svord Peasant, about 30 quid I think, something like that, and it's an idea that goes back 300-400 years to medieval times. It's a friction folding knife, and it's legal to carry. 2.78 inches long the blade and 1.8 millimeters thick. It's a friction folder. The amount of friction you've got to hold the knife in and open it is these two screws can adjust slightly tighter or slightly less. The handle's made of a wood. I don't know what wood it is. It looks like a bit of a Marante. It's a bit of a hardwood. And then your friction, your knife, just use this tang, flicks it open, and there's the knife. It's got a curved handle. It's got a good grip. And when you hold it, you put your hand over this tang so it stops the blade folding in on you. I think it's an S7 steel. It's an high carbon steel. It's not that hard. It's pretty hard, but not that hard. It takes an edge easily. So it's handy for sharpening in the field. And as an EDC knife, it's good to carry, I think. Nice little compact knife. They're made in New Zealand now. They're made in New Zealand now, so it's worth looking into one. If you want a small knife, that'll just my buttons are too stiff on pockets, but if you want a small knife, you can just drop in your pocket. Svord Peasant, worth keeping, worth looking into. Thanks for watching. See you all later. Bye.